Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen monthly time frame, I think that there's a very good chance that we are in a wave 4 right now, which I think will end up looking something like that before we actually go back up and make a wave 5 to complete what I think is an extremely clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern on all the yen pairs. So let's take a look down to the weekly time frame. Now we have a couple possibilities here. Possibility number one is that this is already completed an A and a B, and that this is just going to keep on trending down for a wave C. But there is definitely a possibility that this is like an A, this is a B, and it goes up again to make a C of B. Then it ends up continuing back down. So we do have a couple possibilities right here, but either possibility, I don't think that this move down is actually over yet. Going down to the daily time frame, we definitely got a pretty strong push to the upside on the yen pairs today. But I think that this move up right here, if anything, is probably just the beginning of a wave 4. I think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3 pattern, which means that this move up is probably going to be a wave 4, and we're probably going to get at least one more push down for a wave 5. And if this really is a wave C, then this actually could just be a subdivision of a much bigger downtrend also. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. Now we definitely do have a breaker starts to the upside on the 4 hour time frame, which to me proves that this whole last push down is over. But for me, I think that this is actually just the end of a wave 3, if anything. I think we have a wave 1 here, probably a wave 2 here, and that this is possibly just the end of a wave 3, which means we're probably going to end up making some sort of a three-way pattern for a wave 4, maybe up to the 38% or maybe 50%. And then I think we're going to push down again for a wave 5. So let's keep it going down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, nice impulsive uptrend this morning. Actually started yesterday. Nice breaker structure. I think that this is very likely an A of 4. Now it doesn't have to go down now. It could end up drifting up more, but eventually I think it will go down and make a crutch into this move up. Wave B, then probably back up for a wave C, either to the 38 or the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the 4 hour daily time frame move to the downside. Most likely an ABC of 4, most likely this is the end of a wave 3, and eventually back down again for a wave 5. I would expect this wave 4 to take probably 3 to 5 business days, because if you zoom out, this wave 2 took at least 3 to 5 business days or trading days. So you would also expect this wave 4 to take around the same time as the wave 2 did. So just keep that in mind when you're talking about this ABC correction, that it probably will take at least 3 to 5 business days. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.